Hey, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen today, and I'm in the mood for Brussels sprouts. So I have my pan already here. We are going to turn this up to medium heat, and it's key when you're just going to pan fry some vegetables and helping them not stick to the pan. Get your pan heated up first. Because when you add the oil, it is going to help that not stick, since I specifically do not have a non-stick pan. We're going to add about a tablespoon and a half, drizzle that in, of extra virgin olive oil. And you can see the heat, it's all rippling, it's perfect. And this is a pound of Brussels sprouts that have been quartered and the ends have been cut off. I'm just going to coat my pan and slide these sprouts right on into this nice heat and coat them with that oil. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes and check back with you, show you the progress, and go get something else ready for dinner tonight. Just wanted to check in with you. My sprouts have been going for about 5 minutes, and you can see some of the leaves are getting a little bit of a char on it. This is looking good. So all you need to do, and all I'm going to do for the next bit, is to check on this, stir this every once in a while, and I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Oh my, look at this wonderful sprouty goodness. All of these sprouts look great. I'm going to salt and pepper them. You could do this also beforehand. That works quite well. But these are done to kind of a tender, crisp consistency. A little bit of that on the bottom is fine of the pan. A little bit of the char, that actually comes out pretty easily. But these look and smell fantastic. So now I'm going to add my little sauce where pan is still on, just to add that little bit of Asian flavor. So I have my honey and soy and a little spice with the sriracha. And with the heat, it's just going to cook off, flavor these sprouts so nicely. This is a fantastic accompaniment to any kind of Asian meal. I am going to serve it with pork, but it's up to you for your kitchen. They heat up well. My whole family loves them. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. I hope you give these a try. Please like and subscribe so I can share some more fun things with you in the kitchen. Take care.